7 foods that protect your eyes and optimize your vision. Our eyes are precious, and maintaining good vision is essential for our overall well-being. While regular eye checkups and proper eye care are crucial, our diet also plays a significant role in supporting eye health. Including nutrient-rich foods in your diet can help protect your eyes from age-related decline and optimize your vision. Here are 7 foods that are particularly beneficial for your eyes. Number 1. Carrots. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, a type of vitamin A that is essential for eye health. Beta-carotene is converted into vitamin A in the body, which helps maintain good vision, particularly in low light conditions. Consuming carrots regularly can help protect against night blindness and age-related macular degeneration, AMD. Number 2. Spinach. Spinach is packed with lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 powerful antioxidants that are found in high concentrations in the macula of the eye. These antioxidants help filter harmful high-energy blue wavelengths of light and protect against oxidative damage to the retina. Including spinach in your diet can reduce the risk of cataracts and AMD. Number 3. Salmon. Fatty fish like salmon are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, particularly docosahexaenoic acid DHA, which is essential for maintaining healthy retinas. DHA plays a crucial role in the structure and function of cell membranes in the eyes, supporting optimal vision and reducing the risk of dry eyes and AMD. Number 4. Eggs. Egg yolks are a good source of lutein and zeaxanthin, along with vitamin E and zinc, all of which are important for eye health. These nutrients help protect the eyes from harmful UV radiation and oxidative stress, reducing the risk of cataracts and AMD. Including eggs in your diet can provide a wide range of nutrients that support vision. Number 5. Blueberries. Blueberries are rich in anthocyanins, antioxidants that give them their vibrant blue color. These antioxidants help improve blood flow to the eyes and reduce inflammation, which can help protect against glaucoma and other eye conditions. Consuming blueberries regularly may also improve night vision and overall visual acuity. Number 6. Sweet potatoes. Like carrots, sweet potatoes are rich in beta-carotene, which is converted into vitamin A in the body. Vitamin A is essential for maintaining the health of the cornea and preventing dry eyes. Including sweet potatoes in your diet can help support healthy vision and reduce the risk of eye infections and inflammation. Number 7. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds, such as almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds, are excellent sources of vitamin E, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants. These nutrients help protect the eyes from oxidative damage and inflammation, reducing the risk of cataracts, AMD, and other age-related eye conditions. Incorporating a variety of nuts and seeds into your diet can provide a wide range of nutrients that support eye health. Incorporating these nutrient-rich foods into your diet can help protect your eyes and optimize your vision for years to come. Remember to eat a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats to ensure that you're getting all the nutrients your eyes need to stay healthy. Additionally, regular eye checkups and proper eye care practices are essential for maintaining good vision and preventing eye problems in the long term.